Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be going over several things. This is a new watercolor paper that I'm trying out, and I ordered it from Amazon, and it's in England. There was no shipping on it, no shipping charges, and I'm really impressed with the um, the way that my paint flows on it and the vibrancy of it. Um, I have been just an Arches fan forever. That's my favorite go-to paper, but I'm really liking this. Um, and the price was incredible. I bought 2 packs of paper, and these are the 9 by 12, and it was $25. And like I said, there was no shipping charge. So that right there was amazing. And there are 20 sheets per pad. So this is just a really great bargain. And like I said, the flow is just amazing. I've stuck with Arches just because I like the way that the paint will flow on the paper. But this is, in my opinion, just as good. And I think this is going to be my new go-to paper because the price is right and it's 100% cotton rag. This is the 140 pound, 300 GSM. So I will be putting the link in the comments, or not the comments, in the show more below the video. And you can check it out too if you want to. All right, now what I'm doing here today, I've just drawn 3 um, dog eyes, and as you know, some dogs have green eyes, some have blue, and some have kind of like a yellow tan colored eye. And so I'm just quickly doing these, showing you how I do my exotic dog eyes. I call them exotic because they're unusual colors. Um, And then after I've done this, I'm going to go ahead and do, as you can see, the little face. It's like eyes and nose above. And what I really want to point out and demonstrate on that is the shape of the eyes. They're never round. The dog has his nose tilted up and he's looking up at his owner, I'm sure, with love. Um, but and this dog also has like one kind of greenish eye and one blue eye. So the examples that I'm doing here today, I will make sure and you utilize those so that you are able to maybe get more of an idea of what I'm trying to do instead of just these like single eyes that kind of relate to nothing. But the reason that I did go ahead and do the single eyes was just to show you how I shade um, the eye and the layers that I use. And so I guess that's about all I have to say about this tutorial today. And I hope that you enjoy it. And if you do, please subscribe and like my video. Thanks a lot.